Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll be talking about boho twist. Look at this hair now. It looks stunning, it looks beautiful. Do you want to try it? And if you want to know how to do it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This channel is all about tutorial. If you are just tuning in, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you share this video to more braiders. It is called boho twist. What I need to make this twist is kinking extension and your hair. You are good to go. Watch me as I twist this hair. After plaiting it, braiding it down, the next thing to do is to start twisting. Make sure your twisting look loose. If your twisting is very loose on the braid, it will give you the boho twist. It's the hair that is trending now. It is called COCO braid. Watch this video to the end and see how I make the COCO by the side. You can see I started cutting it from front to the back and COCO it with the same kinking extension. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials on how to make braid. Watch this video. It looks so amazing and it's something that you wanna try. Try this on your clients or try it on your head and see how beautiful you look. This hair comes out so beautiful and stunning. Watch the video to the end and don't forget to share our video.